Hey guys, join in, let's make dinner together. Today we are having jollof rice and beans. Let me know in the comment section if you have ever tried the yummy Nigerian jollof rice and beans, and if you've never tried that before, don't worry, Chef Jemmy is gonna take you through, and believe me that after this recipe you're going to enjoy. You're gonna be a jollof rice and beans pro. So here I'm starting by parboiling my rice. Yes, I love parboiling my rice. It depends on the type of rice you're using, and I put in the turmeric powder. I mix vegetable oil and palm oil, followed by my onions. Yes, I know the reason why I mix vegetable oil and palm oil, so do so too. It's a kind of a 50-50 stuff. Yeah, so you're gonna put that, fry your peppers, add in your seasoning, your spices, and I'm put in the tomato water. Yeah, I used to sieve out the tomato water so that I'm not going to keep frying the peppers for long. After that, you add in just plain water, followed by the rice. Can you see the color of the rice is so unique? And what I just put is turmeric powder. During the parboiling, if you want to soak the rice, you can as well soak it, then put in the turmeric powder and you're good to go. If you have fresh turmeric, you can as well use it. And there I just put in the beans, which is already cooked. Okay, yeah, I've already cooked my beans because some beans can be so wild and taste your culinary skills but we are not going to allow them. And guys, I'm not putting in the spring onions or any green vegetable of your choice. Of course, you need to put something to just make the color beautiful. Can you see how this spring onion actually changed the game? See how it's looking so beautiful. You can add in your beef, your chicken, your turkey, in the spirit of Thanksgiving, and we enjoy. This recipe is so nice and delicious. If you have any question, guys, just ask me in the comment section and I'm definitely going to reply. It's one thing for you to cook your food, it's a different thing entirely for you to enjoy what you cook. Don't forget, you serve it very well. Don't serve your food carelessly, because here in the Positive Vibes community, we agree that we first eat with our eyes. So I expect you guys to serve your food well. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you for stopping by my video. If today happens to be your first, like the video, drop your comments. If you want any video suggestion, if you want any recipe that you want Chef Jemmy to teach you, you can as well ask and I'll be so glad to teach you. Thank you and do have a blessed and a beautiful day. Bye guys. Ooh, our rice is ready. Ooh, our rice is ready. The yummy rice is ready.